Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to be going through a lot of $2 coins. Now these are what I would class as the tier 1 $2 coins. Okay, so these are the coins that aren't Woolworths coins. These are the ones that have been put into circulation, have either a C mint mark or a low mintage. They're the original 2012 through to 2022 colored $2 coins. Now there are many tiers of $2 coins, whether they be just the Aboriginal Elder or the specialty $2 coins that get released purely for the collector's market. But these are coins that are put into circulation. Technically, you could probably argue that our first coin that we will be looking at may not have necessarily been intended for circulation, but there was 500,000 of them made, but they did make their way certainly into circulation through banks, and after the initial sales of the RSL had finished, a lot of those coins found their way into rolls and then into circulation that way as well. So we certainly will class that as a circulating $2 coin. But let's make our way through. So this is an update as of October 2023. So we're going to be looking at mintages. We are going to be looking at recent sale values on each of these special $2 coins. All right, so let's start with the 2012 red poppy coin. This is certainly the favorite of many collectors. So sorry about the reflection on this coin right now, but there it is there, 2012 poppy coin. Now, everything I'm going to be speaking about is based on recent sales. Some sales prices I'll be giving you will be circulated, but I'll be giving you a standard uncirculated price as well as a C mint marked version price based on recent sales. All right, so I don't actually have any C mint coins here in front of us. Okay, so just imagine there's a C on some of these if you want to, but it's not necessary to have each of those coins out in front of us. All right, so this standard poppy coin is recent sales between $300 and $350 each. The C mint marked version of this one has a recent sales value of around $500 to $550. All right, so certainly that's our most valued coin that we will find out of all of the coins in front of us. But later on in the video, I will tell you which one of these coins I believe is undervalued. All right, so based on the information we have, all right, now the mintage on the poppy, only 500,000. So certainly a low mintage coin, as well as being the first colored coin that was put into circulation. All right, the second coin, another very popular coin, and it is really, I think it's my favorite, to be honest. The purple Coronation coin, the 60th anniversary of the coronation of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. So there it is there. Uncirculated value around $90 to $100. Circulated, obviously there is lots of different circulated versions of this, whether they've been circulated for a very short amount of time and then pulled out, or whether they've been well and truly circulated. But sort of an average price for a circulated 2013 Coronation coin is $50. But the C mint marked version of this is $550 to $600, so slightly higher than our poppy coin. All right, now mintage on this one is only 1 million of the purple Coronation coins. Our third coin that we'll be looking at is the Remembrance, so the green dove coin. All right, so dove in the middle there, the Remembrance coin from 2014. All right, this one here has a mintage of 1.85 million. All right, now mintage plays a big part in where these coins end up in value, as well as the design. Design does impact their prices and their popularity. All right, this particular coin in uncirculated condition has been selling for around $40 to $50, circulated $30, and recent sales on the C mint marked version of this one are around $270. All right, so these ones are starting to really climb up, certainly from a cement marked version. Okay, the next one. This one here doesn't have a cement marked version, and we have spoken about this coin a number of times, and a lot of stuff went on with this coin when this one was released. So a lot of people have high grade versions of this coin, and a lot were able to get it in bags and rolls when they did come out and got released into the banks. All right, so not many of them actually made it into circulation, so you won't find many of these in circulation. Okay, so these ones are creeping up. This kind of surprised me a little bit. These have been selling for around $25 each. Now the mintage on this one is 1.46 million. All right, so remember we just had the green one a moment ago at 1.85. This is a lower mintage by 400,000. So it is a special coin, and it probably is slightly undervalued, but it's starting to move up, and it's taken its time to move up. But at $25, I can see this one will continue to move. All right, circulated version, seen these selling for around $18. Now there is no cement marked version, but there is a special coin which does have, right in the very center, is a poppy counter stamp. Okay, now only 15,000 of those were ever produced, and you had to get one quick at a special show, and I believe the show was in Canberra. But anyway, the counter stamp version of this particular coin is $200 to $250 is recent sales. All right, the same year, the 2015 year, orange, the Flanders field coin came out. Now these ones in uncirculated, $23, circulated $15, and the cement marked version is around $150. All right, so that is a lovely coin, beautiful design, and certainly one of my favorites. Another one of my favorites, now 2016, no real special colored coins came out. There was a 2016 changeover coin, but that didn't have a cement marked version, so I'm not including that in this particular video. All right, but now where are we at? Technically, I've got this in the wrong order. I should have this one here. Let's jump to that, because let's go in the order of when they were released. And we have the 2017. Now we call this the Mosaic, so Lest We Forget coin, and it's got a mosaic design, which is a beautiful coin. Absolutely, I love the color of it. Mintage is at 3.98, so basically 4 million of these were produced. Now that puts, obviously it's a high mintage, easier to get, impacts price. So the price on this particular one in uncirculated condition is $12, circulated about $5, but the cement mark is around $80 to $100 each. All right, so those cement mark coins are really, you buy them for basically $15 if you can get your hands on them when they initially come out, and they soon go up in value. So all right, let's go to this one, the Rosemary. So the Remembrance coin, so would have been released in November of 2017. Now the mintage on this one is 2.1 million. All right, so the uncirculated version of this has been selling for around $20 each. The circulated $12, and the cement marked version has been selling for basically around $100. So similar type value as the other one, but a lot lower mintage. All right. No, well, uncirculated, it is certainly selling for more based on the fact of the mintage, but the Rosemary coin and the Mosaic coin would have a very similar mintage, if not the same, of the cement mark, so therefore they're selling for around the same price. All right, then we jump into 2018, another beautiful coin. Here it is here, we call that the Eternal Flame coin. The mintage on that one is 5.7 million, so quite high, certainly high for a colored $2 coin. Now that certainly does impact price. These are sitting at around $7 each, circulated $4, but the cement mark at around $130. So this would be a popular coin because of the color and the design. All right, let's jump on to another coin from 2018, which is this one here. Very big poppy right in the center, and that certainly has made this coin very popular. All right, so the mintage on this one is exactly 2 million. So 2018, and this is called the Armistice coin. All right, so there it is there. It's got Armistice written on it there. Now, $25 for an uncirculated version of this one from recent sales, 17 for circ, and between 120 and 130 is what I've been seeing these sell for as a C-mint marked coin. All right, now the next coin we have is the 2019 repatriation coin. All right, so the 2019 repat, beautiful coin once again. $12 for a uncirculated version of this coin. Mintage is exactly the same as our 2018 cousin at 2 million. Circulated version of this one is $7, and the C-mint marked version of this one is coming in around $50 to $80. So certainly I feel that this particular coin is undervalued compared to its 2018 cousin, the Armistice. Similar type design, exactly the same mintage, but one of them is at $12, which is this one, and our cousin over there is valued around $25. I think there is a reason for that. A lot of people believe that one of these coins was going to be a lot lower mintage than what it turned out to be. That hasn't been the case. They've been exactly the same mintage. All right, now we move on to our services coin. This is the police services coin, so the police remembrance coin, and this is from 2019, so the same year as the repat. Basically very similar values, but $12 for a uncirculated, $7 for a circulated, and a little bit lower on the C-mint marked version of this, around $45 to $60 range is what you can pick those particular coins up for. Alright, certainly one of my next favorite coins is the 75th anniversary of the end of World War II. This coin was looking like it was going to be a super low mintage. Didn't turn out to be the case. Now we will just have a look at what the mintage is on this particular one. Now I don't know if I told you about the police one. The police one was 2 million. This one is also at 2 million. So this is a 2020 coin. Now the 2020 75th anniversary of World War II, valued at around $10 to $12 in uncirculated, $8 in circulated, and the C-mint mark has been selling for around that $45 to $50 range. They've come down in price. If this was going to be a super low mintage, you would have seen that C-mint marked version just continue to fly up. But once the mintage was actually known on that coin, prices certainly did peg back a fair bit. All right, the next of our services coin is the Firefighters coin, another beautiful coin. And let me tell you a little bit about the mintage on this one. Another one at 2 million. So fairly consistent nowadays that a lot of these coins are coming in at the 2 million mark. Uncirculated at $9, circulated at $6, and C-mint marked version of this one is $35 to $40. All right. The next one, look, really, I love them all. There's only probably a couple I don't love that much, but I do love this one. This is the 2021 Indigenous Military Services coin. All right. I don't know if we can get a good focus on this one. Hopefully we can. There it is there. These ones are selling for uncirculated $10, circulated $6, and the C-mint marked version of this one is $40. All right. The final, the final of our services coins, which is the ambulance service, is this one here. I'm not a lover of this particular one. Maybe it's just the lack of color or just a very small amount of color. doesn't grab me as much. But the mintage on this particular one, I am just going to grab that. 2 million on the indigenous one, if I didn't mention that, and 2 million on this ambulance coin. The uncirculated version is selling for around $9, $4 for a circ, and $30 for the cement marked version of this coin. Alright, we are getting through them, only 3 left, and now we have the 2021 Aboriginal flag coin. This one here has a mintage of 2 million, and the value is around $7, $4 for a circulated version of this, and there is no cement marked version, so that is not applicable. Another one that doesn't have a cement marked version is the Frontline Workers coin. There we have it there. And that one there has a mintage of, I think it's, what is it? 2 million once again. This one was in a mint set. Now we have so was the Aboriginal flag one, and this one also. $8 for a uncirculated, $4 for a circulated, and no cement marked coin can be found for that one either. Certainly one of the most popular $2 coins out there, and it's certainly reflected its popularity and its price. Alright, so same mintage as the last few coins, 2 million of these produced. The honeybee, popular little creature, and this is a popular coin to follow. Great design, absolutely brilliant design, and certainly a lot of people absolutely love it. In uncirculated condition, this one has been selling recently for $11, circulated around the $7. The cement marked version of this one, because it is a popular coin, has been getting sales of around $55 to $60 have been sort of the average. Now, we've gone through them all. There are outliers to pricing on any of these coins. Like, there are highs and lows, but I've tried to give you the average across the board on each of these coins. So just to reiterate, I believe that the 2018 Armistice coin, the one in the middle there, is certainly undervalued. And if it isn't undervalued, then probably the repatriation coin is the one that's undervalued. If it isn't undervalued, then the Armistice coin is overvalued. So you can take it either way. But look, they're all beautiful coins. I will do some videos on some of the other $2 coins when I get around to it. But I just wanted to give an update, and it'll be interesting to sort of look at these. And I've sort of done these kinds of things a couple of times in the past where I give values on these particular coins, and it's interesting to see how things develop over the years and over the months. So we'll certainly touch on this in the future again and see exactly where things are, and we'll be able to compare back to this particular time, October 2023. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed this type of video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed already. Leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts on some of the values of these coins. Let me know, is there any of these coins you don't have and really want to try and add to your collection? Really interested to know what's your favorite out of these lot as well. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.